Hey there! Do you find yourself forgetting words when you speak English? Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to many people learning English. But here's the good news. I've got 10 easy tips to help you remember words faster and speak with more confidence. These tips will make speaking English easier and more fun. Let's dive in.
Tip number 1, think in English, not in your native language. If you translate from your own language to English, it takes more time for your brain to find the right words. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, when you see the sun, try thinking, "The sun is bright." Start small, and your brain will get faster over time. Tip 2. Use simple words when you forget the difficult ones. If you can't remember a word like delicious, just say very tasty. If huge slips your mind, say very big. This way, you can keep speaking without stopping or feeling embarrassed. Tip number 3, speak every day. The best way to remember words is to use them. Talk to yourself, speak with a friend, or even record your voice. If you don't have anyone to talk to, try speaking in front of the mirror. Pick a topic, like, "What did I do today?" and speak slowly. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Tip number 4, learn words in full sentences. It's not enough to just learn one word. You should know how to use it in a sentence. For example, don't just memorize the word beautiful. Instead, learn a sentence like, "The sky is beautiful today." When you remember sentences, speaking becomes so much easier. Tip number 5, use flashcards. Write the English word on one side and its meaning or a picture on the other. Review these cards every day for just 5 minutes. Flashcards are a simple but powerful tool for learning and remembering new words quickly. Tip number 6, watch and listen to English content. Your brain learns faster when you hear English every day. Watch videos with English subtitles or listen to podcasts and songs in English. Hearing the same words over and over helps your brain remember them better. Tip number 7, repeat and use new words. When you learn a new word, don't just read it once. Say it out loud 5 times. Then try to use it in different sentences. For example, if you learn the word exciting, you could say, "This movie is exciting," or "My day was exciting." Repeating the word helps your brain remember it forever. Tip 8, stay calm if you forget a word. Don't panic. Take a deep breath and try to explain the word in a different way. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, "It's something we use when it rains." People will still understand you. Speaking English is not about being perfect, it's about communicating. Tip number 9, write more. Writing helps you remember words better. Keep a small notebook and write at least one sentence in English every day. You can write about your day, your feelings, or your plans. Writing will help you recall words more easily when you speak. Tip number 10, connect words with images. Your brain remembers pictures better than words. When you see an object, say its name in English. If you see an apple, say apple. If you see a chair, say chair. This simple technique will help your brain learn words quickly and easily. These are 10 easy tips that can help you remember words when speaking English. Try them out every day, and you'll see improvement in no time. Now, I have a question for you. Do you forget words when you speak English? Let me know in the comments below. And which tip do you think will help you the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.